Welcome back to Auto Vibe Review. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the 2026 Toyota RAV4. Now right off the bat, the 2026 RAV4 brings a fresh, modern evolution to its already recognizable design. Toyota's gone bold with a more chiseled front fascia, sleeker LED headlights, and a wider grille that gives the RAV4 a more aggressive and confident stance. The new alloy wheel options, ranging from 17 to 19 inches depending on the trim, add a touch of sportiness, while the redesigned rear with updated taillights and a subtle roof spoiler keeps things stylish and functional. Toyota has also expanded the color palette with some new dynamic tones. Our personal favorite today is the brand new Electric Storm Blue that really pops in natural light. Stepping inside, the 2026 RAV4 is proof that Toyota listens to its drivers. The interior now feels more refined, with soft touch materials throughout the cabin, contrast stitching, and a more premium layout. The center console is cleaner, and the new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard on most trims. It's fast, crisp, and finally includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across the board. There's also a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster on higher trims, providing customizable views and real-time driving data. Toyota's also enhanced cabin insulation, so road and wind noise are noticeably reduced. In terms of cargo, the RAV4 continues to lead its segment with over 69 cubic feet of space, with the rear seats folded down, making it a practical choice for families and weekend adventurers alike. Under the hood, Toyota offers several powertrains to meet different needs. The base engine remains the tried-and-true 2.5-liter four-cylinder, pushing out around 203 horsepower with smooth, reliable performance. But where things really get exciting is with the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The RAV4 Hybrid delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency, achieving nearly 41 miles per gallon combined. Safety is another strong point. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite comes standard, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new proactive driving assist that uses AI to help predict and prevent potential accidents. As for pricing, the 2026 RAV4 starts at around $30,000 for the base LE model and climbs up to the mid-$40,000s for the fully loaded RAV4 Prime. It's competitively priced, especially when you factor in Toyota's reliability and resale value. And with multiple trims to choose from, LE, XLE, XSE, Limited, and the adventurous TRD Off-Road, there's truly a RAV4 for every kind of driver. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Toyota RAV4 doesn't just continue the legacy, it elevates it. With bold new styling, a more refined interior, smarter tech, and impressive performance. Thanks for watching Auto Vibe Review. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Toyota RAV4, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.